Hi everyone, welcome to my this lecture. So in the previous video, that is part 1, we have discussed some basic terms related to this Archimedes principle. So in this video we are going to look at the statements stated by Archimedes, that is Archimedes principle, and I will explain this through a simple example. First, let me state the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle is stated as follows: when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. So, well, let me explain this through simple words. First, let me explain some of the terms which we are going to look in this principle. First of all, immersed. What do you mean by immersed? Immersed means like dipping, and partially means not fully. And next, upward force. Look at this. Upward force means buoyancy. In the previous video, I have given a detailed explanation. You can go and check there. And next, displaced. Displaced means like expelled or thrown out. So, let me explain this through a simple example. So, take an object weighing, take a body or object weighing of mass 5 kg, weighed by a spring balance. So, next, it is the first case, you have measured the weight of that. Next, in second case, dip the same object in this type of beaker. See, look at this. Wait, let me zoom it out. See here, water is at this level. And next, in second case, dip this or immerse this object fully. Let us consider fully immerse this object, so that you will observe that the water level increases and water is displaced through this nozzle. So when you, after dipping the object here, water level increases and water will be displaced. So collect the water in another beaker without wasting a single drop, because single drop is also very important. So after collecting, so this is fine, you will observe that also this weight of this object also decreases. Do you know the reason behind this? Yeah, it's again due to the upward force. Upward force causes, see, it is the spring balance. Assume if here is the object, if an upward force is acting on the object, it will reduce the elongation of the string, which causes the loss in weight. So that loss in weight is what is equal to the upward force. Suppose take an example, it weighs 3 kg after immersed. So what is loss in weight? It was 5 kg in the initial and finally it is 3 kg. So the loss in weight is 2 kg. So which is the upward force. This 2 kg is the upward force acting on the object. So next, the water displaced by, you take the water displaced by it and weigh it on a weighing scale. You will observe that this water will weigh the same as this upward force. If this upward force is 2 kg, it will be surely this displaced water weight will also be 2 kg. Check it out and comment in the comment section. So this is what about Archimedes principle. Let me state once again: when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences a upward force that is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by it. So thank you for watching this video. If you feel it helpful, please share it. And finally, let me come at the Archimedes principle's applications. Where is this Archimedes principle used? So first of all, I would tell that it is used in designing ships. It is used in designing ships. So do you wonder that why an iron nail sinks while an iron boat will float? It's due to the Archimedes principle usage. So it is used in designing ships, submarines, and lactometers. Do you know what is this meaning of lactometers? Yeah, it is a device used to check the purity of the milk. So next, in designing hydrometers, what is this hydrometers? Do you wonder? Yeah, It is used to determine the density of the liquid. So thank you for watching this video. If you feel it useful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.